Hello everyone, welcome to Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen and I'm your host Vicky. Karibuni. In our today's menu, I'm going to guide you on how you can easily do a flood omelette, and here are my ingredients. Eggs, 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, carrots, sweet pepper, spring onions, or you can say green onions, salt, milk, cooking oil, and finally fruits. It's ready. And for best results, you need it light, not thick. I will oil the pan ready to cook. Guys, here are our final results. As we all know, breakfast is a very important meal of the day. So I try to spice it up and here we are. Karibu sana. Yes. Let's see what I got here. Mm. Oh my goodness. It's so yummy. You can easily do it at home. And I also try to select fruits to go with. You can choose your own fruits if you wish. You can have with tea, coffee, black tea, juice, or anything you want, even cold water. Yeah, it's also healthy. So guys, this is Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. Thank you so much for staying with me. Don't go away, I'll be back. Bye.